Hey guys, this is Renata from The Mermaid Has a Fun Time, and today we are going to be playing some more Beowulf builds. So let's spin. Actually spinned with this finger, not this. 5,000, better than yesterday. And now let's do the daily challenge. Come on. Like it has been new wood. It's like I'm instantly now. Oh, detonator, blah 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 blah. We know how this works. Beowulf built, we know how it works. Go. Da 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 da. Did you see that spin? Da 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 da. Okay, I can't find anything now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Did you see that? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
Wow.
Well, better than yesterday.
Much better than yesterday, Renata. Let's give some example what we can play more.
Well, we will be playing Subway Surf. Surely we will be playing Subway
And?
Surf and Clash of Clans.
Of course, Clash of Clans.
I'm off. I hate this game.
Clash of Clans. Not help for daddy.
Just look at the camera.
Renata, come back, Renata, please. Please, come back. Look
Enemy
at that. Enemy raid. Let's see. They just destroyed our town hall. I leave my town hall out every time because it's make easy for another ones to destroy the town hall. However, they leave my all of storage alone, so they not steal a lot things. Look at that. They stealed only 1,394 gold and only 1,600 elixir. And they didn't steal any dark elixir because I saved dark elixir at the time. Only 1 day left in the laboratory, and the next research will be the Valkyr. Her first research price is 50,000 dark elixir, and it's so hard to have 50,000.
Look, there's some I can see there. Ta-da!
Let's
yeah.
pick up.
I told you I have the magic of lovely
treasure.
jugglies with me.
Pick up everything. Yes. Then request something from my clan.
By the way, we're not playing this on the computer.
Here we are,
we're
my
playing
clan.
it on the phone. Not the phone, a phone.
Flown. On the flown.
On the phone.
Alright.
Oh, no.
No, we're not gonna to play, but we will make some videos when we make big raids.
Yep.
And we steal a lot of gold and a lot of elixir.
Whoa.
And we will have a lot of barbar.
Barbers.
Wahaha.
Barbers.
Barbers. Barbers.
Barbers.
You must cut your hair.
Barbers shave your hair.
No, that one. Anyway, it was lovely to see you guys again. I hope you like our new videos. Yes, now we play on Android, we play on Xbox, we play on Xbox One, we play on everything.
Except
Yes?
you.
Give me a wood stick and I will play on it. Right. Let's say goodbye.
Yep. Oh, by the way, every morning, nearly every morning, we're gonna make these videos. So, if that reminds me.
Hmm.
Goodbye.